Hi everybody, welcome back to Incredible Wilderness. And yes, my name is still Katerina, and yes, I am still standing in my living room and wear something on my head. Well, this time it's not a sleeping bag, no, it's just a jacket, but it's still really warm. So you might ask, what is this all about? Well, I promised you videos about what I'm going to pack in my backpack for my upcoming trip to South Africa and Botswana, where I'm going to do an education for 2 months at the Field Guide Level 1. So, I already did a part 1 video where you saw me talking about all the equipment I'm taking with me, and this is part 2, what kind of clothing and shoes I'm taking with me. So, just stay tuned and, well, let's get started. Whoop, whoop. This is all my clothes and shoes I'm going to take with me to the South African bush. You always need a pair of flip-flops. Summertime, flip-flops, nothing more to say. Taking as well with me some light hiking shoes. So you have to be careful with the shoes you going to choose, because when you go on a hike in the African bush, you have a lot of thorn bushes, and the thorns are really, really long and thick, and if you would walk through the bush with the flip-flops, they will go right through them. So believe me, I had them stuck already in my older pair of flip-flops. It kind of really hurts, and they pinch your foot sole. So yes, I guess these will do just fine. They've got a big sole and they are really light to wear. But if you go on a really stronger hike or whatever, more in rockier environment, these are the shoes you should wear. They are so comfortable. I mean, you can see them. I already wore them for almost the 2 weeks at Tula Tula, and they are perfect. I mean, the leather is fine, so when it rains and the soil gets really muddy, not a problem with these shoes. Your feet stay dry and warm, and that's how it should be. So and the sole is very big, so no thorn can go through. See, okay, yes, I'm also going to take with me, I mean, you see, it's a lot of green here. It's all the safari clothing and the bush clothing you need when you go out there. So I'm going to take 2 long pants with me, a greenish one, yes, a beige one. They are both from Fjällräven. And I'm going to take with me, I guess, 3 short pants. This is one from Fjällräven, and these 2 I bought actually in South Africa last year. So these are short shorts, really nice and comfortable to wear. Yes, so 3 shorts. Yes, since I really have trouble to find clothes who do fit me, I actually decided to just buy some polo shirts in green and beige. So these are Fruit of the Loom polo shirts, just an easy kind. Yes, I'm going to bring 4 shirts with me, so I guess this should be everything I need. And yeah, where are we? Let's see, socks. These are hiking socks. Well, I have more of them. I think I'm taking 4 or 5 pairs with me. I think that should be enough. I'm also taking with me just a few pairs of normal socks with me. Certainly underwear you should bring a lot. In the camps is a washing service, I think every 1 or 2 weeks. So you should bring just enough clothes for, let's say, almost 1 week, or underwear for a week. I'll also bring a swimsuit with me, you never know, where you can swim. And since I'm also there when it's going to get a little bit colder during the night, I'm bringing a hat. You know, the cars are open, some gloves, and you know, kind of scarf thing, tube scarf. We can also, you know, pull over your mouth if it's get really, you know, dusty. Very important as well, since we are all the time outside and the safari cars are open on the side. Also, sometimes they don't have a roof and it's raining, so it's really, really good to have a poncho. So I got a green poncho. This one is huge, but well, I'm not getting wet then. That's quite cool. And I'm also bringing some gaiters with me. So when you wear shorts and then walk through maybe through some sickle bush and thorny bushes, acacia trees, whatever, well, your lower legs are protected, or kind of a little bit protected, but I guess they will also go right through them. But at Tula Tula, my legs looked, yeah, like a needle pin needle, you know. They didn't look good. So I'm also bringing just a little stack of just normal clothes, 2 pair of pants, maybe 4 t-shirts, you know, just some basic shirts, a nice warm cozy hoodie, maybe if it's getting colder during the night, it's actually skiing underwear, so you never know. You know, sometimes I'm freezing like hell. And as jackets, I bring some, actually 4 jackets. You know, this is a green, nice jacket from the North Face. Well, wind comes through this jacket, but if it's not windy or if it's a warm wind, that's not a problem. That's really, really cool, nice jacket. It's really long on the back, and you can wear the hood really low in your face. So I like this one very much. Then I got a thinner jacket. It's a little bit shorter, thinner. Yes, maybe for some more lighter days. It's from CMP. Yes, also another one. Then if it gets cold, I mean, we have to get up in the morning very early, like 4:30. It's probably not that warm. I got this jacket. It's from Fjellreven. It's really thick. I forgot what it's on the outside. Let's have a look. It's the polar fleece jacket from Fjellreven. Well, you see, it's a really, really thick jacket. Wind barely comes through, but it comes through. I felt it at Tula Tula when it was windy. It was very windy over there. Yeah, it could feel the wind, but it's blocking off a lot. I got this jacket in a reddish color, and I got the same jacket 1 size bigger in gray. So if it's really getting cold, I can put another layer under the gray jacket and use the gray jacket as a really wind stopper. Yes, if it's raining and I'm not sitting in a car, if it's not raining enough, I also have another rain jacket. This is just a jacket. I love this one. It's so cool, and the water comes off easily. You can adjust the hood or the hoodie, and it's from Marmot. So yeah, this one is for the lighter rain. Yes, and I guess if I look at the table, yeah, don't forget the hat. You need a hat. I'm taking this one with me, and when I'm in South Africa, I'm also buying a really big leather hat, you know, the brown big ones, just to protect my face and my neck from the sun or from the rain. Who knows? Yes, I guess that's it. It's not much, and I guess everything will fit in my backpack with all the other equipment. So I hope you liked the little inside view for my clothes, and I hope you liked the video, and just give me a thumbs up. And if you have other questions, just leave me a comment down below. And I hope I see you next time after my trip. And always remember, stay incredibly wild. See you next time.